Mackerel in foil is a traditional recipe of Mediterranean cuisine, which brings out the best qualities of this tasty and nutritious fish. Cooking in foil allows all the aromas and nutrients to be preserved, thanks to the steam created inside the parcel. This dish is ideal for those who wish to enjoy a light yet flavorful fish main course, easy to prepare and suitable for all occasions, from a family dinner to a special event. Ingredients: 4 fresh mackerels of about 300 grams each, cleaned and gutted, 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, 1 untreated lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, a bunch of fresh parsley, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt and black pepper, thyme and oregano, optional, parchment paper, or aluminum foil. Preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Carefully wash the mackerels under cold running water, drying them with kitchen paper. Slightly score the sides of each fish with a sharp knife, making 2 to 3 diagonal cuts on each side. This will allow for more uniform cooking and absorption of flavors. Rinse the lemon under running water, dry it, and cut it into thin slices. Clean the cherry tomatoes and cut them in half. Peel the garlic cloves and slice them finely. Wash the parsley and coarsely chop it, setting aside a few whole leaves for decoration. Prepare 4 sheets of parchment paper or aluminum foil large enough to wrap each mackerel completely, creating a well-sealed parcel. Place 1 mackerel in the center of each sheet and season it inside and out with salt and pepper, gently massaging to distribute the flavors evenly. Insert into the cavity of each mackerel a few slices of lemon, some pieces of garlic, and a pinch of chopped parsley. Add fresh aromatic herbs if you're using them, such as sprigs of thyme or oregano leaves. Arrange the cherry tomatoes around and on top of each mackerel, distributing them evenly. Drizzle each fish with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, pouring it both over and around. Carefully close the parcels, folding the edges of the parchment paper or foil over themselves to seal the contents well. Ensure there are no openings from which steam could escape during cooking. Place the parcels on a baking sheet and bake for about 25-30 minutes. The cooking time may vary slightly, depending on the size of the mackerels. Once cooking is complete, remove the baking sheet from the oven and let the parcels rest for a few minutes, so the flavors can settle and the fish finishes cooking with the residual heat. Carefully open the parcels, taking care with the hot steam that escapes, and transfer the mackerels to serving plates along with their seasoning. Garnish with a few fresh parsley leaves and serve the mackerel in foil piping hot, possibly accompanied by a side of grilled vegetables or roast potatoes. Curiosities: mackerel is a much appreciated oily fish for its nutritional properties, particularly its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. Cooking in foil is an ancient technique that allows you to cook fish lightly, without adding fats, keeping flavor and tenderness intact. To personalize the recipe, you can add other ingredients to the parcel, such as black olives, capers, or fresh chili pepper, to enrich the dish with even more intense Mediterranean flavors.